most people's widest point isn't at the hip bone, it's a bit lower, around the upper thigh. When measuring the body, find the widest point and measure the circumference. You also want to know how far the widest point is down from the waist, so its depth. Then mark the depth on the pattern. To work out how much you need to add, get the widest point circumference of your body and subtract it from the measurement on your pattern. The difference is what you need to add, and we need to divide it by 4, so you can add it equally to each side seam. There are 2 side seams, and each side seam has 2 seams, which is why you divide it by 4. When drafting the line, you want to continue the shape of the side seam to create a nice smooth line. After the widest point, you can go straight down. Make sure this angle isn't too sharp though. If you are adding a lot, you may need to reshape the seam above it. When you fit the dress on the person, you can then pin along the side seam to make sure you've got the right hip shape. Some people are quite straight and angular, other people are more curved. It's easiest to do this on the body. After you made all your adjustments, you can add the seam allowance to your pattern. I would add 2 centimeters at the side seam, just got a bit of wiggle room. If you haven't seen the person and you're relying on measurements supplied by them, I would add 3 centimeter seam allowances, or even 5 centimeters or 2 inches at the side seam. The idea is that you can then unpick the seam during a fitting and fit to their body accurately. If you want to improve your pattern fitting skills, check out these other videos. And if you can't get enough or tailored to your member of my channel, you can also find out what body shape you are, and then learn how to adjust patterns to your body's unique silhouette.